Hello Chroma kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Spiderman. Kids, do you know who is Spiderman? Spiderman is a superhero. Spiderman real name is Peter Parker. He got his superpowers after being bited by a radioactive spider. Now he swims through the city using his web shooter. Spider-Man is also known for his quick wit and sense of humor. He fights against the villains and he is a superhero like Iron Man and Captain America. Spider-Man adventures show us that everyone can be a hero if they use their talent for good. Spider-Man has a cool powers like climbing wall and super strength. Spider-Man fights against the bad guy to keep the city safe. He teaches us to be brave and kind to others. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.